Have you ever wondered if those magic kitchen regrowing tricks really work? Me too. Let's find it out together. For the veggies that I would like to test for regrowing, I use celery, lettuce, scallions, and carrots. We start cutting the vegetables, except for the carrots, so that we only keep the parts with the roots. For the carrots, we just keep the top part where the leaves grow from, since the carrot itself is basically the root. Besides those veggies, different ones like beetroot, any kind of lettuce, any kind of onions, pak choi, or even ginger or garlic could work too. Once we have cut our vegetables, we take a large bowl and place everything in it so that the roots are facing downwards. Then just fill the bowl with a bit of water and make sure to not let it dry out within the next days. To see the progress, I filmed everything as a time lapse. Let's see how the experiment goes. All the veggies immediately start to show new growth. The whitish parts of the plants start to turn green to be able to do photosynthesis. Since the plants grew quickly, I transplanted them all into humus-rich soil with lots of nutrients to support the growth. All the plants are shooting up nicely. Unfortunately, I planted all the plants in a pot that was too small for so many plants, so that I could film everything in time-lapse. As the carrots in particular grow quickly, the lettuce and celery get relatively little light and grow more slowly. After 45 days, I was curious if the plants just regrew some leaves or were also able to regrow roots. I decided to pull all the veggies out of the soil to check on them and transplant them outdoors. All of the plants had quite some root growth and therefore can be regrown, as you can see. Even the carrots started to grow, but could have needed some more time. Overall, I am quite happy with how the regrowing experiment turned out, and I am quite convinced that a lot of kitchen scraps can simply be used for regrowing. If you liked the video and are already hyped for the next tutorial or experiment, don't forget to subscribe.